Morning, just 11:30 it is. I'm at the Scania dealerships over in Washington. Pick the truck up at 10 o'clock start. 11:30, here now, hey ho. Yesterday was very similar. Unfortunately, I was supposed to be at 7 o'clock, but they rang and said they needed to change that. Is it alright if I did an 11? I got away at 12:30. Righto. I went up to 697 for a change, lovely day and all that jazz, but I didn't have an SD card. Can't believe it. I hit play. It was a lovely day. Open sesame. And I had time to kill because my delivery wasn't meant to be till 5:30. Excuse me. I was going to get there for 3:30, so I'll try the 697. I'm not losing any time. If anything, I'll gain 10 minutes, but I'll just take my time and just suss the road out. And it was lovely. I do think though you leave yourself vulnerable on it. As much as it's lovely, you've got a lot of other Arctics tippers that are up and down there all the time. They're absolutely howking at some of them. Mental. I'm not that kind of driver, I'm afraid. And now and then it's a nice little run up, but you just think, you know what, eventually something could happen there. I've got an Aldi Bathgate and a Tesco's Livingston. See what happens after that. That's me done. 14 minutes on my way to Tesco's. Well, I was only in here 30 minutes as well. Tesco's, it's rammed. Can't believe it. Not going to argue though. Might in a minute once I've phoned in, find out where I'm going next. Here we're going. I shall let you know. Right, got the doors. There it is. Well, I hadn't gone the wrong way. Hey. Oh boys, what's the crack here, mate? What's the crack here?
First time I've been in, but I told him to this lad, he says, you back down there and in that bottom door there's a computer. And just put your details on that and they come to you.
Just back up behind you guys.
Just in them bays there. You'll see the door right at the end that you go through, just put your registration and who you're dropping off and picking up for and the customer's name.
Okay, mate. Odd, innit? Odd one. Really? Excuse his blinkers, sorry. So you just go in, put your details. Well, you heard that guy there, what he said, if you can understand them. He said type in all your details, but no one's give us to punch in a reference. Literally there's no one there to computer, and then you go and sit in your truck. But I need to see someone, I need to see people. I can't be dealing with this. Sorry, like. Well, I'm not gonna lie, that was an absolute twat. I'm soaking sweat. 25 pallets. I thought it was water, it's not. It was shortbread, which, to be honest, not far off the same weight, I think. My God. 25 pallets in a pallet pallet pumper. Move our cheese off, that's what I want to know. Right, get out of here. Back in the yard for 10 o'clock. I think I've earned myself a cup of coffee. Coffee to go though, I'm not sitting about. So I'm going into Berwick. Get the kettle on, Rose. Ideal if I could just park somewhere around here and just run into Marty D's and get me that here. But unfortunately, I can't. It would be a bit rude. Go. Get all the way around. Stick it here. Pricey, like $2.85 for a coffee. Ooh, you know, that's cutting into me pay that day. Left, home. Right then, got me coffee, got some sugar-free sherbet sweets. They are rather nice. Catch us down the hill.